What is the periodic table? This is now a periodic table of the elements, periodic system, or simply as the periodic table, as a scheme designed to organize and segment a chemical element according to the properties and particularities it possesses.
Atomic number. The distribution of the elements in the periodic table is determined by the atomic number and its electronic configuration, number of electrons in the outermost shell. This distribution keeps a consistent scheme that facilitates the understanding and ordering of the elements in the table. The atomic number indicates the total number of protons in the nucleus of a given atom.
The periodic table is ordered in the increasing order of its atomic number, as can be seen in the image. It is in increasing order, the arrangement of hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium.
As it can be seen in the periodic table, the ascending order of the elements.
Hydrogen has atomic number 1. It will have a proton, therefore it will also have an electron. That is, every element is electrically neutral.
Lithium has atomic number 3. It has 3 protons and 3 electrons.
Beryllium has atomic number 4. It has 4 protons and 4 electrons.
Groups of the periodic table. It is made up of 18 vertical columns that make up what are known as groups of the periodic table, and are elements that tend to have similar chemical properties. The elements of each group have the same number of electrons in their last atomic shell.
Group 1, previously 1A, or alkali metals, composed of the elements lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Alkali metals are extremely reactive.
Group 2, formerly 2A, or alkaline earth metals, composed of the elements beryllium, Be, magnesium, Mg, calcium, Ca, strontium, Sr, barium, Ba, and radium, Ri. The name alkaline earth comes from the name that its oxides received in ancient times.
Transition metals. The name transition comes from a characteristic that these elements have of being able to stay stable with themselves without the need for a reaction with another element.
Other metals, such as aluminum and gallium.
Metalloids. Metalloids or semi-metals elements that exhibit intermediate behavior between metallic and non-metallic elements are elements that act as metals in some situations and as non-metals in others, such as germanium, silicon, etc.
Non-metals. Non-metals are rare elements in the periodic table and are characterized by not being good conductors of heat or electricity. Its properties are very different from those of metals.
The word halogen comes from the Greek for forming salts such as fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, and teneso.
Noble gases. They are colorless, odorless, tasteless, and non-flammable gases under normal conditions, and which also have a very low chemical reactivity due to the fact that their last electron shell is complete.
These elements are called rare earths because they are in the front oxides and also, together with the actinides in front, in the inner transition metals. The actinides as a group are significantly important due to radioactivity.
In chemistry, we speak of valence to refer to the number of electrons that an atom of a certain chemical element has in its last shell. These electrons are of special relevance as they are responsible for the formation of chemical bonds. In the periodic table, the valence is determined by the groups 1 to Valencia 1, 2A, Valencia 2, and so on.
We are not going to see only the fixed valence groups, those that are shown. those in the central part of the variable's valences. Those will not remain for now.
Aluminium, period 3, group 3A. Atomic number 13, group 3A, period 3. We have 3 layers. The first shell, 2 electrons. The second layer, 8 electrons. And the third valence layer, 3 electrons.
Magnesium. Magnesium Mg, atomic number 12, group 2A, period 3, 3 layers. First shell, 2 electrons. Second layer, 8 electrons. Third valence layer, 2 electrons.
Oxygen. Atomic number 8, group 6A, period 2. We have 2 layers. The first shell, 2 electrons. The last layer, 6 electrons.
Neon. Neon, atomic number 10, group 8A, 2 players. First shell, 2 electrons. Second layer, 8 electrons. Finish. Thank you.